Hi, Angèle Cristina here, founder of Wondrous Online Women, coming in live from Germany. Today I want to share with you the power of gratitude. Gratitude is my go-to quick exercise whenever I'm feeling ungrounded or I'm not in the path or I'm feeling funky and I can't get myself to switch my low vibration energy. Gratitude is something that I really do recommend that you try. This could also be great if you have anxiety, if you are a worrier, or you're overthinking, or you're looking at the news all the time and you have a lot of fear around you. So my recommendation for this easy gratitude exercise is that you stop in your tracks whenever you are feeling any of those things I just mentioned, and you drop from your head into your heart center by just saying, today I am grateful for. And you mention 3 things that you are grateful for at that point. If you are going through a hard time, it could be a really good idea to be grateful for something very obvious, but still brings you to the here and now. Like, I am grateful for my health, I am grateful for the food that I just ate, I'm grateful for the roof I live under. Those are 3 basic things that, even though they might sound silly when you're having a better day, when you're having an overthinking day and you're very much in your head, they really bring you to the here and now. And this is one of the reasons I love gratitude, because when you are thinking and worrying, it's all about being up here, right? It's all about being in our mind, in our head, and we can't get out of the head and we're not sure what to do. When we do gratitude, we drop. So from here, you will literally feel different if you think and worry about things. And then if you say, I am grateful for, first of all, you even breathe differently because there's like deeper connection. But you also feel you are choosing love, you are choosing appreciation, you're choosing joy perhaps, you are choosing to be more calm, to be more peaceful, to center yourself and appreciate the moment you are right now. So those 3 basic things are a really good exercise to do if you're having a low day. If you're having a better day, or if you're having, an okay day, I still would recommend that you do the gratitude exercise, but perhaps go a bit more into detail. You could go a bit more obvious. Like yesterday, I didn't have Wi-Fi practically the whole day, so I said I am grateful for mobile data to be able to attend my meetings today. You could also say I'm grateful for the connections I have in my life. I am grateful for technology to be able to see my family even though they are far away from me. Obviously, you can mention anything that you are grateful for at that point in time. It is very suggested that you do this regularly, and if you are suffering and going through a challenging time, it's really beautiful if you manage to start the day with it as soon as you open your eyes, still in bed. Mention three things that you are grateful for: a good night's sleep, maybe, good digestion and feeling calm. And then perhaps at the end of the day, before you go to bed, again, perhaps before you close your eyes or before you actually sit on the bed and comment about your day. I'm grateful for the chat that I had with my friend. I'm grateful for that email that I received with an opportunity. I'm grateful for the lovely weather that we had today. So gratitude is very, very powerful, but it's very, very simple. So here are my tips, for you today to use gratitude so that you'll be able to center yourself more and be in touch more with your intuition rather than being too much in your head. I hope my tips helped, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.